Hi, Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. How you doing today? Well, I got my order in from Red Rock. I ordered it, let's see, Tuesday last week, somewhere about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And today is Wednesday, so it took a week and a day, not too bad, from Mochi. And it came from Red Rock. It was delivered today, a couple of hours ago. Just got home, so we're going to open this up together and see how it is. The suspense is killing me. I could appreciate the package. When I got it from South End, it came in a big cooler with a bunch of ice packs and so forth, and this is just a little package. I appreciate the smaller footprint, and so far it's a bag in a bag. And here I'm opening it. Ice pack, still cold. That's a good sign. Here it is. There's my vial. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syringes. Let's open this bad boy up. Actually, I don't have to open it up. It was filled on 5/6, and the bud date is 8/4 of 25. 5 syringes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alcohol wipes. Anything else in here? Another ice pack. And that's it. So this is all that goes away with this ice pack. Not for individual use. Place the entire thing in the trash. Not to be used on body or for medical injuries. So not even worth putting in the freezer. This is going to be the footprint of throwing it out. I'll put the bag back in the bag because I like to keep the footprint as small as I can. And there you have it. From Mochi to the door in 8 days. And let's see, I inject 98 units. So I'm going to keep this in the bag because I have from different pharmacies. Usually South End delivers to me. I'm assuming that they were able to get it quicker from Red Rock, which is why they switched to that pharmacy, because my designated area is South End. I'll leave it in the package because, like I said, I have several different pharmacies that send to me, and each one the direction is different. And I guess I have to check to make sure it also says it on the vial, which it doesn't look like it says it on the vial. So I'll leave this in the bag for reference sake. And I guess it was 5/13 was when it was actually sent from Red Rock. And that's the day Red Rock filled it according to the label. And today is the 21st. I probably won't put this video up for a couple of days, so I just wanted to give you references of the timing. 8 days, big improvement from what it was. I know some people are waiting longer. I've had really good luck with Mochi. I'm not recommending them because a lot of people have had bad luck, and the minute I start having bad luck, that's the end of Mochi. I'm just getting it from wherever I can while it's still available. And that's about it. They do have their Red Rock phone number on here. Came from Utah. The phone number, by the way, if anybody needs it, is 801-839-5080. And again, 8 days, start to finish. Whoever you order from, make sure you use a credit card that you could dispute, because some of them are taking longer. I've had good luck from them. I've had really good luck with Orderly, but who knows how long all that's going to last. The other places that I used to order from, I haven't in quite a long time. So that ends this unboxing.